Welcome back to the channel. It's great to be with you after well over a 2-week hiatus with travel to across the pond and down in the great state of Alabama for work. So it's good to be back and talk about the RadRover 6 Plus today. We went to the bicycle repair shop and we look forward to telling you about our experience here in Knoxville, Tennessee with the repair on that bike and how. My repair shop is located a little over 5 miles from my home, and it's called RiverSports Outfitters. They're on Sutherland Avenue in Knoxville. They service various brands of bikes, including the Avonton and the RadRover. So they have experience with both. I consulted with them before I purchased the bike, and that's one of the reasons I considered those two bikes in my purchase decision. As y'all know, my bike had a problem with its derailleur. It specifically would not work in first gear, which is the large gear on the cassette. Other than that, it was pretty much okay. No problems with the shifting on it. So I haven't had an opportunity to get that fixed, so today was the day. So it was another special kind of day for me because today I ventured out for the first time on some busy roads, and I'm happy to say the bike performed perfectly. It felt comfortable in traffic. It had enough power to negotiate hills, and really gave me a greater sense of confidence in the bike. Making the 5-mile trip over to the shop, I waited on the bike while I was at the shop, and then when I was finished, obviously drove her home. So it was a great trip. What you're going to see today is basically road mileage. I've got the camera, it's a GoPro Hero 9, mounted up on the basket holder in the front of the bike, so that will be the view you're going to see. And you'll get an idea of what it's like to be on that bike in heavy traffic and how it performs. As for the service, once again, good service by the folks at RiverSports. Simply waited around. The guy ended up having to straighten out the derailleur mount or holder. I think that's the correct name for it. It was slightly bent. It wouldn't adjust properly until he took the derailleur off and then straightened that out. So that was the extent of my problem. It's over my head. I've learned a lot. I've seen what it does, so maybe I can do that next time. But you really need a bike stand to do that kind of work on, which I don't have, or don't want to allocate the room for. So once again, I highly recommend them. Good shop. And the drive-out price for this work was about 45 minutes. Was $15 plus tax. So great experience at RiverSports. Let me wrap it up by saying good to be back from my travels. Look forward to getting out in the next few weeks on the bike. You'll see some more videos as I travel around. Still got the old electric XP20. I rode it the other day and it's still performing wonderfully. So we'll have some video of that too. Both of them have their, of course, positives and negatives, but I'm really enjoying the RadRover now that I've got it adjusted, and we'll have some longer trips that we're going to be taking down the road. Until then, I look forward to seeing you again.